of the field of spoken English. Without training, you can't get fluency of the spoken English. Without training, you can't state properly on the stage. Without training,
Tell me something about basic classes.
Basic class is very important of the of spoken English. Basic class, without basic class.
Would you like to tell me something about the importance of tense for spoken English, for conversation?
Tense is very important of the field of spoken English. It is because of tense you can speak 60 to 70% English. You can talk to each other one another with the help of tense. Tense is very important of the field of spoken English.
And what is the importance of oral test class?
Oral test class is very important of the field of spoken English, and in our training batch you shouldn't be afraid of oral test. Oral test, in oral test you can't cheat because sir is standing before you, and in written test you can cheat.
What is the importance of conversation class?
Conversation class is very important in our training batch. Conversation class is very important of the field of spoken English. In conversation class you will know how to speech of before audience. In conversation class.
In your training, which class did you like most?
I like most debate class in my training batch.
Would you like to tell me something about debate class?
Debate class is very important in our training batch. Debate class, in debate class you will know how to talk to each other one another properly. In debate class you will know how to debate your opponent, and in debate class sir will call you on the stage with your opponent, and you have to defeat your opponent.
And tell me something about your hobbies.
As far as my hobbies are concerned, I am interested in spending time with my family and playing and interacting with students, singing some. That's all about my intro.
If you are given a chance to sing a song, which song would you like to sing? If you are interested in singing, please tell me, which song would you like to sing?
I like most patriotic song.
Please sing this song. Please sing any song.
ओ राज रवे तेरी सांसों पे थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था, ना देखे मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के, तेरा मेरा साथ यहीं तक था। ये तेरी जमीन तेरे खून से ही तो सजती संवरती है राजी, तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी ही रुत धरती है राजी, तेरी मिट्टी।
What is your future plan? Do you have any future plan?
Yes, sir, I have a future plan. I want to become a good orator in English language, because English is an international language and English is spoken all over the world.
Do you want to get any job?
Yes, sir, I want to get it.
And which job would you want to get? Which job would you